go to sleep. Okay, what's good, guys? I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm on mobile, but I don't want more people. I'm gonna show you guys how to get a shotgun like this, where it has no cooldown, like almost no cooldown for shooting, and whenever you reload, it goes like that. Okay, so let me show you how to get it. Okay, so you can have like any gun. You see, it doesn't matter what barrel it doesn't matter what barrel you use. Hell, you could use a sniper barrel. It doesn't. Don't use shotgun magazines. Don't use them. You could probably use a sidearm thing. Okay, but what you want to do, it doesn't matter what shotgun core you use, but use a shotgun core. It doesn't matter which stock. Doesn't matter which grip. What the hell? Is that a banana? Why do I have a banana? Okay. You see? It just doesn't matter. Just keep a shotgun core and whatever magazine except for shotgun magazines. And then like that. And then yeah. That goes slow because that's a slow mag. But let me show you guys online. Okay, so first of all, let me change this script to shotgun things to show you guys. You see? Let me use that part. Okay, now it works way better. It doesn't matter anything. As long as I'm showing you guys what it does with that. Oh, bro. I was literally just about to show you guys this. King of the Hill. No, King of the Hill. Oh, you piece of crap. But, okay, look at this. So, this is what it is. Yeah, see? And then, as I remove the magazine, you see, this is a magazine. Nothing else has changed. I'm changing it to the negative ammo box. You can put, really wherever. I'm using Trench 2, so. Because it has better hitboxes. But watch this. And then reload. A Bomboclad. Yes, sir. Bomboclad. It's a Bomboclad, Bomboclad. No, I died. Yeah, but that's the gun.